In real life problems, we need some control structures to evaluate the code. If we need to check any conditions or more than any conditions in a statement or in a code, we need to use if else or if elif function in our code. In this video, we'll learn about that. To run the code, first of all, we need a variable. So let's take a variable like let's take age for this function. Let's take it a digit. Okay, so now in our code, we'll just verify if the age is a certain amount of less than a certain amount. Let's take it 18. If age is less than 18 years old and anything else like anything less than 18, we'll print that it is underage and else. And for the other conditions, if the age is greater than 18, we'll print it is adult. Okay, fine. So very simple one to execute. Let's start. So if we'll use age is equal to, we don't need is equal to, actually greater than is equal to 18, sorry, we need to give this colon after every if or else or any statements in Python, else the code won't run. So whenever we'll give this statement, it will start from the next line. We can see there we're getting a tab function working in the next line. We don't need any kind of brackets like C programming or Java programming. Here we just need to give that space, and that is it will accept is a bracket, or as if the function is running, all the commands for now from now is running into the if function. If the age is greater than is equal to 18, we can print like what we can print. Let's print adult. Very simple thing to print. Else, sorry, else we can print that it's not adult, like print underage. Let's print underage. It's a good thing to print actually. Underage. Okay, so let's run this code now and let's see what we get. Okay, to run this code we need to save it. Okay, so we're getting underage. Let's change the age. Let's make it 52. So we're expecting now to get adult. Let's see, we're getting adult. Okay, so now can we modify this code more? Like can we now print any kind of more functions? Like suppose now if we change the whole code and like make if the age is less than 5, it will print like child. It will print child. What happened here? I have done some, not some, a lot of mistakes. Okay, so else we're not using else, we're using elif here. Elif means if it is not right, let's do else and if, what you have done in C programming, but here the programming is a little bit different. Elif, we can say like the age is greater than 5. Okay, we need to give a greater than 5 and age less than 18. We can, okay, I have missed a colon here, you can see. We can print underage. I have done a small mistake here too. I have given double inverted codes, so I should give one. Again I have missed Okay. uh, and now let's print else. For every other condition we should print adult. Okay, I just understood one thing. See, if we run this code, okay, let's run this code first and then we'll solve the problem. If we run this code, we're getting adult. If I just change this, like age 2 will get child. If I just change it again and make it, sorry, not 221, like 10, and run it, we're getting underage. Everything is fine. But see, if I am saying 5, it is saying adult. Cause why it is saying adult? Because we have not wrote any code if the age is equal to 5. We have missed something in the first command. We are not mentioned less than is equal to. So when it is 5, it is actually giving us the result. It is a adult. So let's run it again. Now you can see it is child. So this is for today's video. Thank you.